Hi guys, welcome to Car Tips. My name is Ian Asila. So we are going to look at a topic that is commonly discussed by many people. This topic is some people usually wonder why when you got your car as new or when you purchased your car, maybe the consumption was a certain amount of liters per kilometers, but as time goes, the consumption has increased. So you may be wondering why your car may use more fuel or lose fuel economy. So this is why car may use more fuel or lose fuel economy by Ian Asila. So the first reason is the faulty engine. Whenever you have a faulty engine, your engine will be running in, it's not running in its most efficient state. So it tends to use more fuel to produce the required power or torque. So this is usually in modern cars, you can see this on your dashboard, check engine light. So whenever you see that, you need to have it checked because eventually it will cost you on the fuel. So the second reason is wrong or incorrect engine oil. Whenever you're doing service to your car, remember to use the correct or recommended engine oil because engine oil is used in the cooling process and also lubrication to enable the engine run smoothly. So if you use a cheap engine or one that is not meant for that application, your engine will be straining, it will heat more, and it will not have good fuel economy. So always check on that, especially when you're doing your service. The other reason is a poor quality of fuel. So always remember, we talked about this earlier in one of our topics. Always remember to fuel at the recommended fuelers or the service dealers, depending on where you are. Because when you use pure quality of fuel, it will not burn as required and so will give you very poor fuel economy. The other reason is worn out tires. So guys, many people don't know this, but when your tires are worn out or the threads are worn out, we'll make a video one of these future days on how to check your tire threads. So when your threads are worn out, it usually reduces the grip of your tires on the ground. And when your tires are not well gripping, they will slide more. This will require more power from the engine, so you'll be wasting a lot of power. Again, engine runs very efficiently when there is enough friction between the tire and the surface. So in order to increase the friction, always ensure you're running on new tires or tires that have enough grip to the ground. Okay. So the other reason is poor maintenance. Of course, when you don't maintain your car, you don't do regular service, your spark plugs will be worn out, your oil will be greasy and it will not be as smooth as required, and many other things will happen. So your engine will of course not run at its optimum condition. So you will use more fuel, of course. The other reason is unnecessary engine idling. So whenever you make a quick stop, maybe along the road or you're along a busy traffic, it's always good to activate your iStop mode to avoid engine idling. Remember, even when your car is on a standstill, your engine is running, you're using fuel, so you'll end up wasting a lot of fuel when you make unnecessary engine idling. Okay, so you can always check on that. The other reason, I think the last one is overloading. Of course, when you overload the car, the engine will require more power in order to move the car or the vehicle ahead. So definitely you will use more fuel compared to the normal load. Remember, every car has its load limit. Always keep that. Don't overload your car because overloading usually leads to many other issues. One is engine damage. The other is your suspension. Your tires will also go bad and many other issues. So always avoid overloading. That is the end of our short course. So thank you for always joining us. Again, let me wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks guys. Bye bye.